Hello, plant enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the elegant world of argyraea, also known as the silver brake fern. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of indoor plants. Silver brake fern is a captivating fern species, appreciated for its distinctive silver-striped fronds. Native to Southeast Asia, including regions like Malaysia and Indonesia. This fern thrives in tropical climates and is often found in shaded, moist environments. The striking silver patterns on its foliage contribute to its popularity as an ornamental plant, adding elegance to gardens and indoor spaces. While the silver brake fern is primarily cultivated for its aesthetic appeal, ferns in general have a rich history of traditional medicinal uses in various cultures. Ferns are known for potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, although specific uses can vary among species. It's essential to rely on accurate botanical identification and consult with healthcare professionals for reliable information on the medicinal properties of the silver brake fern. Additionally, ferns like the Pteris argyraea can be valuable in companion planting, contributing to garden biodiversity and potentially deterring certain pests. This fern thrives in well-drained soil with bright indirect light. It is relatively low maintenance, requiring regular watering and a humid environment. Maintaining a consistent moisture level and avoiding direct sunlight are crucial for its well-being. The silver brake fern adapts well to indoor spaces, hanging baskets, and mixed foliage arrangements, bringing a touch of elegance to your living environment. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. Don't forget to explore our other videos and subscribe for more delightful content. Farewell and happy indoor gardening.